My name's Cole the Cornstar, and I'm here with my dad and brother, and today we're going to tour Kinze.
What did you know about Kinze before you arrived today?
I knew they had blue equipment. We actually have quite a few neighbors that run Kinze planters, so I'm used to seeing them out in the field. And I remember visiting with my grandfather about John Deere and Kinze's rivalry back in the day, so to be able to actually be here in the factory where some of that stuff maybe took place, it's pretty cool. Well, I know to me, I like dealing with companies that are family owned. And being able to come here, you can see what the family's about, what kind of culture they've built. And when I'm buying stuff, that means a lot to me. I don't want to just be buying into a corporate anybody. You know, I get attached to my equipment, so I like knowing that what we're running on the farm has some thought and meaning behind it more than just a dollar sign. So from an entrepreneurial standpoint, what's your favorite thing about business?
I think probably just all the different aspects of getting involved, you know, whether it's engineering or marketing or out in our R&D proto shop where we're building something for the first time, to also be farmers like you, where we now have a farming operation where we obviously want to grow crop and make money doing it. Being able to then use products, oftentimes we're the guinea pigs where we get to use stuff initially and perfect before we put them in the hands of what we call customer test individuals that go out and use a product, and then you release it for production. So it's fun to be part of that process.
As a whole here at Kinze, I guess, what are you guys trying to do to differentiate yourself from even where you were 8 years ago?
Yeah, that's a good question, because you know, it would be easy in a downturn to say we're not going to do any more R&D, we're just going to hunker down and wait it out. Well, you know, as you know, with social media, if you wait too long, someone else is going to be out there doing something, and soon you're going to be forgotten about. You know, you have to say, okay, it's an investment to invest back in the company in R&D, but philosophically we have to do that, because innovation is one of the things that really differentiates us from the competition, is our ability to you know, have great ideas and great features on our product. You know, innovation is what got us into the business, and my dad was innovative as a result of rubbing shoulders with farmers and understanding, as a farmer as well, what are the problems in the field and how do I solve them. You know, like the true speed that you saw when you came in on the planter, that was something that we were working on during this down market, working on with Ag Leader. We were working on continuing to develop Blue Vantage and Blue Drive, you know, our own advanced electronics over that period of time. And I think those are the things, again, that are going to differentiate us. So having the control system made for our planters by Kinze employees that also farm and understand agriculture.
I mean, everyone likes a good success story. So when I'm able to go through there and I can see where he started at the base and everything he built in that little shop and just how it's evolved, to me that's just so motivating, because I see someone who just pulled himself up by the bootstraps and never gave up, and I mean, look how successful he became today. So that's really motivating to me, because I see it as, well, why can't I do that?
So what was your favorite part of the day?
For me, definitely seeing how the factory ran. I'm a big numbers guy and I'm a big efficiency guy, so going through the factory, just seeing how everything has a purpose, it was just really satisfying to me, and I enjoyed that, because I did find a couple things along the way that I would like to bring back to our operation, and so I'm hoping that can help take us a step forward on our farm. Well, it's really cool to be able to see the raw product when nothing's painted and it's all individual pieces, and then as you're driving along, you see stuff just start to be assembled into bigger and bigger pieces, and then next thing you know, you got a full planter put together. So it's really satisfying to see that whole process just happen in a matter of a few minutes driving a golf cart around.
What does farming mean to you and your family?
I mean, it's our livelihood. It's what we do every day. It's a lifestyle to us. It's not just a job. So, I mean, we eat, sleep, and breathe farming.